wrong.
Yeah, every time. Here we go, guys, down to a place called the Tablelands. That's where the Earth's mantle is actually up through the Earth. No vegetation grows there. I've never seen it before. We're going to take a run down, see if we can take a little look-see-boo. And right away, I think we're going to get rain. Let's find out. I got too many cameras going here. I don't know what's working and what's not working right now. I'm just enjoying this ride down through the hills and valleys, past streams and brooks. Beautiful greenery. Down, 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 and away we go. I'm looking forward to seeing what this is going to look like on video once I get to take a look on my editing program later. Who knows? Still descending down the hill through the windy roads. Mark leading the way. Cooper, my nephew Cooper, is in the right behind Mark. I was going to say in the middle. It is in the middle. He is in the middle between us, but brother Peter's in the back. Every once in a while we hit periods of rain. It hasn't been wet enough to put on a rain gear, but it's 28 degrees. Really warm. Really, really warm. Oh, little chipmunk on the road. I hope I didn't get him. I don't think I did. We don't worry about staggered formation here. We just, when we get into the curves and the twists, we just stretch out and give everybody a chance to look around. When you're bunched up in a group, you really don't see everything you want to see. Holy cow! What a view! What a view! Oh, guys, look at it. Wow, that is crazy. This is beautiful. I've never ridden here before and I've wanted it for so long. Video will not show the angle of those hills. These hills are steep. I don't know what percentage of an angle we're going downhill on, but like we're going down, down, down fast. Wow, this is fantastic. What a trip for 2024. Holy moly. The first day of August 2024. What a way to celebrate it. Riding down here, down through Grossbourne. Just look at the scenery. Oh my gosh. This is even better than I expected. And look, here's where the Earth's mantle is up through over here, straight ahead. See that far peak is right brown? That's it. That's where we're headed. We're going to take you over there. You'll see it for yourselves. This is a ride of a lifetime for me. I've never been here before. I keep saying that, but I just want to stress it that I wanted to come here for so long, and finally this year we made it happen. We had such an exciting ride last year, and we discovered it was too short of a ride. We put this ride together this year, and it's phenomenal. This is a fantastic way to start the first day of your ride in Newfoundland. Look out here, guys. See that? Wow. Oh, I hope this video works out. Oh my golly. I hope this works out. We're here in Newfoundland, an island in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, riding a motorcycle. Going around these beautiful curves, rolling hills. Oh, there's a lot of gravel here on that. I had to slack off. Last thing we want to do is get on those marbles of stones and go for a wipeout. How's this for scenery, guys? This is a window with a view. Wow. This is breathtaking. I have to tell you, what a first experience. Every hill it gets nicer and nicer as soon as we crest the hill. Whoa. It took me 4 days riding, and then a ferry trip to get here. And you ask yourself, was it worth it? Oh yeah. Hell yeah, it sure was. This is a ride of a lifetime, guys. Last year's ride was just spectacular. This year, same island, different side of the island. We're totally on the opposite end of the island, Newfoundland, exploring this end, and then we'll be working our way back east, exploring around the central area as we go. It's like so exciting. Hear that song, keep your motor running, Well, it should be keep your camera running. Make sure you get your video. This is so beautiful, but the enormity of it is like crazy. You feel so small here. I feel like I'm a little sandfly on a huge big table kind of thing. It's so big, massive. This is crazy. Wow, guys, you gotta see this. The Earth's mantle is actually pushed up through the earth here, and even the vegetation won't grow on it. It's starting to get a little tiny bit of greenery, but for the most part, it's like, I guess you would say, probably toxic for growth of vegetation. I don't know if that's the right word for it or not, but nothing will grow on it. Like, wow. I hope there's a look-off point over here. This is phenomenal.